burning deep and bright, a flame ignited by your holy light. Through every shadow you fan the blaze, a fire within that will never be erased. Holy Spirit, set my heart on fire, burning higher with your holy desire. Consume my soul with your mighty flame. You're the power, the glory, the end.